In this quick guide, I'll show you how you can turn your TCL Google TV on or off, change its channels, increase or decrease the volume, or switch between inputs without using the remote. So let's jump right in. Say you have lost your TCL remote or it's damaged. In that case, you can easily control your TCL TV by using the onboard power button. It should be at the bottom panel, right around the power LED. Press on it once to turn on your TV, and while the TV is on, you can press it again to open the bottom panel. From there, to move between options, keep pressing the power button, and to select one, long press it. This way you can go up or down on channels, increase or decrease your TV's volume, or switch between the inputs that's connected to your TV. But as you can see, the controls are very limited and you're not even able to navigate through your TV freely or open any apps or games. So if you want a true alternative to your remote, then we have a video where we show you how you can use your smartphone as your TV remote. So you can watch it here. So that's how you can control your TCL Smart TV without the remote. Hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more.